Hello, my name is Liam Matthews. I'm 26 years old, and I live in the vibrant city of Austin, Texas. I'm a graphic designer by profession, but I also have a passion for photography and travel. I graduated with a degree in visual arts a few years ago, and I've been working in the creative industry ever since. Designing things has always been a part of who I am, from doodling on my notebooks in school to creating digital art that tells stories. My goal is to bring people's ideas to life in a way that truly connects with them. When I'm not working, I love exploring new places, whether it's a hiking trail nearby or a different country altogether. Traveling helps me see the world from different perspectives, and it's where I find a lot of my inspiration. Aside from design and travel, I'm also a huge fan of reading, especially science fiction novels. There's something about escaping into a different world that excites me. And yes, I'm also a bit of a coffee enthusiast. You'll often find me at a local cafe, enjoying a good cup while working on my next project. Thank you for listening to my introduction. I look forward to sharing more of my journey and connecting with like-minded people.